Since Unwell and I couldn't film this together this year, we wanted to jump on a quick call to explain some things. If you're seeing this video, there's a better than average chance you fall into one of three categories. Number one, you're already a Live Traders member, but you've never taken our main course, Professional Trading Strategies. Number two, you're brand new to Live Traders and you're looking for an edge, a way to make consistent profits from the markets. Or number three, you've heard about our legendary Black Friday events and just came by to see what we're all about. If any of those sound like you've come to the right place at the perfect time. Every year, we not only give aspiring and professional traders a way to grab the best courses we have at insane discounts, but it's the only time we bundle everything we offer at too good of a price to ignore. In fact, it's why you're here, right? I mean, you want the best at the best possible price. We know you do. Well, this year is no different, except we're also throwing in two courses we've never offered with this bundle. Forex Pip Mastery and Options Mastery. So now you have the whole suite, stocks, Forex, options. These two courses alone have sold for over $1,000, and we're including them as bonuses. That's how good this deal is. Unwell, we really need to think this whole thing is kind of getting a little ridiculous.
Come on, Jared. It's only one time a year, and we only give it to the first 100 action takers.
Fine, but I'm serious, man. When I say this deal ends before Cyber Monday, no exceptions.
It usually ends well before that, especially since we've added over 10,000 people to the waitlist.
Wait a second. So you're saying only 1% are going to get this deal?
Less than 1%.
Okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. I mean, we work too hard, man, to give this stuff away for free. And you know that's what we're doing, right? I mean, basically giving this stuff away for free. We're literally giving like 10 courses and products away with Professional Trading Strategies.
Jared, it's the holidays, man. Have a heart.
I seriously hope the first 100 of you take advantage of this deal quick so we can move on. I mean, simply just give us your email below and we'll let you know the second the doors open. That's it. This is too good to pass up. You don't want to ever miss this deal. This is the best Black Friday we've ever had.
See you Black Friday. Hope you don't miss out.